I want you to make a completely random selection, and to do so I have a disc with letters and colours and a wheel with some numbers. As you see, the wheel can turn freely. Turn the wheel as much as you like, completely randomly. Great. Now here's a little clip and tell me, would you like my prediction to be a letter or a colour?
A color.
Okay, I'll make my prediction of a colour. Let's see, yes, okay. I'll put the prediction down here, take the disc and put the clip near any number you want. Choose any number.
5.
Okay, 5. Now simply turn 5 positions on the wheel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, you turned to the colour red. Well, the colour I predicted is red. Let's try again. Before I told you you could choose a colour or a letter. Now we will do something a little different. Here's my prediction. Choose a number as you did before.
Number 1.
1. Okay, do you want to change?
No.
Now turn the wheel 1 position. And you stopped in this position. Look, there is the letter S. And my prediction, again, is correct, because I predicted S.
No.